Can you believe this? 85% of kids use a smartphone. If age under 6 are constantly exposed to smart devices. The right brain, which helps cultivate creativity, might not work well. And it may cause a critical issue of balancing the development of our left and right brain. Then what should we do now? Now, Loopkin got a solution for you. We contribute well-balanced brain development. Loopkin provides design thinking education for your children. Design thinking methodology is a problem-solving process to find users' real needs that is hard to find by advanced technology. And it is used by global companies such as Google or Apple to develop creative business solutions. Why do our children need Loopkin? First, it helps kids experience the joy of self-learning by solving problems by themselves that is not usually taught at school. It also provides fun, interdisciplinary education by connecting diverse school subjects. Last, it helps increase kids' creativity by sharing diverse ideas through teamwork. Now, are you ready to get rid of smartphone and let your children be a global leader? The #1 design thinking education for kids, Loopkin.